Okay, this is the Lafeeca Aura stainless steel carafe, and this is a larger size. They do have a smaller one. So this is, 50.7 ounces, 1.5 liters. This thing is beautiful. There are so many things that you could use it for. It comes packaged very nicely. I love the black stainless. It just, such a cool product. Check that out. So you have this beautiful wood handle. You have the black stainless steel branding here. This is a non-slip, like ergonomic handle. The bottom here is non-slip. This is push to pour and then lift to lock. And I'll show you all the features too. It's easy to wash. So it is 24 hours cold, 8 hours hot. Double wall insulation, cool touch design, food grade stainless steel, leak and spill proof. I mean, the things that you could use this for are just so, there's so many things, like picnics, camping, road trips, even sometimes you just want to have, I like to curl up with a book in bed. I want to have some warm tea next to me on a rainy day. I mean, just the options are limitless. It's beautiful. You know, it's sleek, it's modern. I'm gonna give these as gifts to people because I love giving things that are practical and useful. I cannot recommend this enough. I absolutely love it. Coffee, tea, iced tea, whatever. Yeah, highly recommend. Lafeeca Aura stainless steel carafe. Love it.